Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Wells Fargo Bank and the Chase Bank. Now, Wells Fargo is one of the largest banks in the US, offering a wide range of financial services including personal and business banking, mortgages, and wealth management. It operates over 5,600 branches and more than 11,000 ATMs nationwide. While Chase Bank, on the other hand, is a part of JP Morgan Chase, is a leading national bank offering a comprehensive suite of financial services, including personal and business banking, credit cards, and investment services. It has over 4,700 branches and more than 16,000 ATMs across the US. Now let's go over the pros and cons, starting with Wells Fargo here. So the pros of Wells Fargo is that it has extensive branch network with a strong presence in the western US. It offers a variety of account types, including specialized accounts for students, seniors, and military personnel. And it also provides robust online mobile banking and services. Now, the cons of Wells Fargo is that monthly fees can be higher compared to some competitors, though they can be waived with certain conditions. Interest rates on savings accounts are generally lower than those offered by online banks, and some customers have reported issues with customer service responsiveness. Now, Chase Bank, on the other hand, the pros of Chase Bank is that it has a large ATM and branch network, providing convenient access nationwide, competitive credit and card offerings with rewards and benefits, and has strong digital banking platform with a highly rated mobile app. Now, the cons of Chase Bank is that monthly fees can be higher, but are often waived with qualifying activities or balances. Some account types require higher minimum balances to avoid fees, and interest rates on savings accounts are typically lower compared to online banks. Now, which one is right for you? So both Wells Fargo and Chase Bank offer comprehensive banking services with extensive branch ATM networks. Your choice may depend on factors such as location, specific banking needs, and personal preferences regarding fees and services. It's advisable to compare the specific account offerings, fees, and benefits of each bank to determine which aligns with the best of your financial goals. So both of these banks are very similar. So you should just compare them based on fees. And yeah, that is it. That is the difference between Chase Bank and Wells Fargo. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.